Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious pork fry. First, select about 1.5 pounds of boneless pork shoulder, which is ideal for this dish. Next, cut the pork into uniform 1-inch cubes to ensure it cooks evenly and thoroughly. Finally, marinate your pork with your chosen spices for a minimum of 30 minutes. This step is crucial for flavor development. Get ready to create a fantastic meal. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pan over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the pork cubes and sear them until they are beautifully browned on all sides, locking in those juices. Then, pour in about 1 cup of water, bring it to a gentle simmer, and cover the pan. Let it cook until the pork is wonderfully tender, which usually takes about 45 minutes. With the pork tender, it's time to build more flavor. In the same pan, if needed, add a little more oil and sauté chopped onions and minced garlic until they are fragrant and softened. Next, stir in any additional spices you desire, along with diced tomatoes, mixing everything well. Continue to cook, stirring occasionally, until the sauce thickens beautifully and coats each piece of pork, creating a rich and savory finish. Your delicious pork fry is now ready to be enjoyed. Garnish it with some fresh cilantro or thinly sliced green onions for a burst of color and freshness. Serve this amazing dish hot with a side of fluffy rice, warm naan bread, or any other accompaniment you love. It's perfect for a family dinner or entertaining guests. Also, for more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.